Samsung Galaxy A70 hands-on review. All the right specs in all the right places. The Samsung Galaxy A70 is a mid-range smartphone aimed at young people who love to create, share and consume live video content, as well as all the other social activity and communication they are involved in. Of course, just because Samsung says the Galaxy A70 is for the youth market doesn't rule it out for any other ages, and with a solid spec list it could attract a wider range of suitors. See all Samsung Galaxy A70 deals. The phone includes a 6.7-inch Full HD and display, with a single camera-sized notch, octa-core chipset, 6GB or 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, in-display fingerprint scanner, 3 rear cameras and a sizable 4,500 mAh battery. In short, there's a lot going on here. Galaxy A series family, Galaxy A80, Galaxy A50, Galaxy A30. Samsung Galaxy A70 release date and price. The Samsung Galaxy A70 release date is set for April 26, but Samsung didn't reveal which countries it would arrive in. We do know, however, that it will be available in the UK after Vodafone confirmed it would stock the handset. We're still in the dark when it comes to the Samsung Galaxy A70 price, but we'll update this article as soon as we hear. Design and display. The Samsung Galaxy A70 boasts a glass and metal design, with the former adorning the front and rear of the phone, sandwiching a metal frame, providing a strong and premium feel. Measuring 164.3 x 76.7 x 7.9 mm, the Galaxy A70 is relatively easy to hold in one hand, although those with smaller palms may still find it a struggle, and it isn't overly heavy. You'll find the power and volume keys on the right side in easy-to-reach positions, while on the base the Galaxy A70 packs a headphone jack, something its larger sibling, the Galaxy A80, doesn't have. There's also a speaker and a USB-C port for charging, while the SIM tray is found at the top of the left side. You'll be able to pick from one of 4 colors for the Galaxy A70, black, blue, pink and white. One of the A70's better qualities is its huge, 6.7-inch display with a bright and colorful SAMOLED panel and a Full HD+, 1080 x 2400, resolution, providing an excellent viewing experience for a mid-range phone. There is a small notch at the top of the screen, something Samsung calls its Infinity U display, and we didn't find it got in the way during our short time with the Galaxy A70. The screen has one more trick up its sleeve as well, an in-display fingerprint scanner for secure logins and possibly authentication, much like we saw in the Galaxy S10 and Galaxy S10 Plus. Cameras. The Samsung Galaxy A70 comes with 3 rear cameras, consisting of a main 32MP, f/1.7, snapper, an 8MP, f/2.2, ultra-wide angle, 123-degree lens and a 5MP, f/2.2, depth camera for portrait mode effects, where the background is blurred. On the front, selfie fans will be happy with the 32MP, f/2.0, front-facing camera. Samsung's live focus mode, which produces blurred background portrait shots, uses both the 32MP camera and 5MP depth sensor to produce photos which look pretty good, although the line between focused foreground and out of focus background isn't as sharp as in similar images taken on pricier devices. The ultra-wide camera is easy to switch to within the camera app and provides you with a field of view greater than the human eye, allowing you to capture more of your surroundings, including some that you won't catch in your peripheral vision. The snaps we took with the Galaxy A70 during our short time with it looked acceptable for a mid-range device, which, well, it is, but there was a little bit of muddiness and lack of detail in the low-light shots from the event floor. Battery and specs. As previously mentioned, the Galaxy A70 comes with a sizable 4,500 mAh battery. That should provide decent battery life performance, but you'll have to wait for our full review to see if it can deliver. There's also support for 25W fast charging, allowing you to top up quickly if you find yourself running a little low. The Galaxy A70 also comes well equipped when we look at performance, with an octa-core Snapdragon 675 chipset backed up by either 6